Welcome sales teams. I'm Tom, and today we'll be exploring how you can use the value hypothesis calculators in our sales play library to accelerate cross-selling and gain introductions to new contacts inside your customers. Who doesn't want to optimize their effectiveness at helping clients and outperforming quotas? We talk a lot about value selling, but are we really doing it? It's almost an automatic to lead with the features and benefits that make Iron Mountain a great partner. It's much harder to break down the customer's value metrics, evaluate the impact our solutions can have, and communicate all that back to the client. But lucky for all of us, finding, analyzing, and communicating customer value metrics just got a lot easier. Today we're going to show you how to combine our value hypothesis calculators with Gemini, and once again, change the way you work. Let's begin by giving the Sales Play library a visit. From the library's homepage, locate the Resources tab near the top right corner of the page. Activate the drop-down menu by hovering over the tab. Next, click the Prospecting option from the menu, and finally, choose Value Hypothesis Calculators. Here you will see a complete library of value hypothesis calculators for use across many of our service line solution offerings. Let's share an example of how we think this can work. For this demo, we're going to select the Smart Sort calculator. Some of our calculators are grouped into collections, so you'll notice this one is part of the RM Project Services grouping. As a result, you'll need to check the Smart Sort box and then click the Continue to Assumptions button. Now you will see a list of variables appear. Each of them is supplied with a standard default value, but this is where you are expected to adjust them to represent the client you are preparing the hypothesis for. Once the variable values reflect the intended client, click the Calculate button. Next, scroll down the page where you will find the benefit categories. Twist open the categories, as well as each individual benefit that shows a dollar amount. Once all the benefits are open, you're going to simply copy this information to your clipboard in preparation for the next step. All right, now we're ready to open Gemini and use the information we've copied to our clipboard. Get ready for some magic. Here we've opened a new Gemini window. All we have to do now is enter a simple prompt, such as, summarize and explain each of the benefits I'm providing from my value hypothesis calculator. And then, in the same prompt window, simply paste all the information you just copied from the VHC. Now sit back and watch as Gemini gives us just what we asked for. After reviewing and learning from the detailed explanation of benefits we received, we're going to finish this demo with one more prompt. Let's ask Gemini to create a brief communication we can send to an existing friend or champion inside our client. Here I'm simply showing you that step. And here's a clearer view of the resulting email, ready for you to review, tweak if necessary, and pass along to your contact inside the client.